Hello, welcome back to another one. Just got these little necklaces here that I was going to save for a pendant. They're just up in the corner over there. If we come across anything. This is the same lot, another bag, same price. So we'll see what we get. We've got some big beads, they'll go in the beads lot. Players number 6 voucher. You used to get them in cigarettes, didn't you? There's 2 of them. Oh my god. I'll see if anyone collects them or anything. Oh my god, I haven't seen them since I was a kid, I don't think. Put them aside. Someone looks like they've put that together. It's got nice chain links and glass bits that can be made something out of. Little charm things. I'll do a lot for them. They're cute. Okay, in a job lot. On ribbon. The ribbon's okay on that. Okay, job lot. Are we tangled up again? Right, let's do this. Oh, hello. What are them pretty colours? 2 safety clasps. Can't see any hallmarks. Should we have a look quickly? We might have found some gold. I don't want to bend it. Let's do them back up. Possibly gold. Three, 4, 5. It's still there. Oh, is that a mark there? That might be a hallmark there. Hold on. It is. It's 375. It's upside down. It's very hard to see. Try and look under the light. 375, and it's got other things right next to it, but full hallmarks. Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. And it's hallmarks. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, I'm so happy with that. I'll pop that over in my keep pile. Wow. Gold in the first 2. Can only get worse from here, surely. No, I'm joking. That's in Better Days. That is beautiful. What are you? I recognise that. I like the gold with the blue. Nice vintage one. That's very pretty. I'm going to keep that as well. Envy. It's one of them twist arounds. Are you okay? Yeah, you're alright. You're going to job up. Aventurine and rose quartz. I'll keep that. Does that match? No, it doesn't. But there's definitely some crystals as well. Possibly some moss agate. So they'll go in my gemstone slot. That's a nice clumper. Go in the job lot. Oh, look at you. Oh, the strings coming through. That's mother of pearl, seed pearls, and that looks like coral. That one of the strings have broken the inside. That can go in a broken vintage. There's another one of those things. Little ham's a hand bracelet. Looks quite small. I'll put that in a kid's one. Stretchy. Claire's sterling silver. Sterling silver on a rubbery thing. If it says it's silver, it's silver. We'll just pop that in a test pile, I suppose. Get rid of the rubber and that. Muse. You're very much tangled. Right, let's move over here. Shake off any loose bits. Right, that is all tangled. It's a broken wire. Let it go in the bin. What are you? There's marks. There's no way that's gold as well. No way. Oh God, I'm dropping bits now. Hold on. Where did I see marks? Oh no, it's Swarovski swan with the copyright and a letter M. That's nice. Needs a good clean. That's very nice. I like that. Another keeper. Yeah, there's no chance there would have been 2 bits of gold, is there? Or 2 nice bits anyway. What are you? You are Avon, but you are broken. Go in a broken. You're broken. That's gonna go. They're nice beads though. What is that when it goes like that? 2 clips. I don't know, but that can go in like a kid's slot. That's seen better days. Oh, we've got some bits that want to come out easy. Going as gentle as I can so I don't tangle anymore. That's nice, the gold with that greeny colour. It's from Accessorize, that'll go in the job lot. No. Yes, but you are broken. Didn't we have that just now? Oh, in a green colour. That matching. Got a necklace here. Very nice here. Some nice little stones in there. Oh, you got marks as well. 925. We'll test that at the end. Make sure. It's very pretty if it is. It's like a vintage looking necklace. One of the cheap ones. Just put that in the job lot. You're on a clasp so I can get you out. Okay, yeah. That's really nice. I like that. Knotted, red. These ones that are inlaid. It's very nice. That's on the job lot. It's an earring. Put over there. Stretch bracelet. Anything else going to come out nice and easy? Oh, this wire just come out easy. It's double wired, glass beads. That someone else could have a go with that. It's nice. What is that? Some sort of Asian writing. Nice beads. Going to job lot. Do you want to come free? Yes, we do. A hook. Oh, the string's gone a bit long. That's a shame. Some nice beads to use on there though. JC UK with a T. It's quite unusual. Clean looking. I'll look that up. I'll put that next to my keep pile. That's nice. That's not silver. It's got a mark there, but that's like native style. Yeah, I'll put that in a job lot. What are you? You're supposed to be on there. It's bright yellow gold, made to look vintage, just a simple bit. Put that in a job lot. Green chain link ring. That's a shame, it's seen better days. That would be quite unusual. And broken. Stretch, that's gonna go. Wired piece. If we whisper, it might not hear us, and might not want to get tangled. Go straight in broken. Save anyone the heartache. Oh, hello, you look nice. I think you look too perfect to be anything. There's no marks. Oh, yes, there is. It's not hallmarks there, it's just metal. That's weird. But it's a nice little string of pearls. They're not knotted or anything. I'll just put that in a vintage. I think that's off of something rather than a ring. Infinity sign from Accessories or Claire's? Claire's. Still nice enough. That kind of job lot. A broken chain. It doesn't look like anything, but and it isn't anything. Always check there. It's like fish wire. It's very small. Might put that in a kid's. No, it's dangerous. That can go in there. God, I wouldn't want that on my conscience. Right, is anything else want to fall out? Anything else want to come willingly? Yeah. A sparkly little drop from anywhere. That'll go in the job lot. You're not from anywhere. You're tangled with yourself, but These are nice bits on a necklace with some butterflies. That'll go in the job lot. Out that thin necklace, it might save some. It's nothing. Pop that with my collection of little necklaces because it's newish looking. What do you say? Some initials and Excalibur 7. So watch strap, put that in a job lot. What's going on here? You're undone. Loads. Don't want to come free. Right, what are you? Pendant, necklace, on cord. The cord looks pretty new. Go in job lot. Earring. Cord looks okay. Surfer style. Okay, job lot. Oh, you've come free. That cord is all discoloured. That's a shame. It's quite a nice pendant. Go in there. Angle there. Has all its sparkly stones. Looks alright. Undo ya. Even though you're right tangled up. Oh lordy. Oh, the string is twisted round and around. Where are we going? That way. Oh. Going through there. Let's undo you. Is there anything else we can undo? Yep, we can undo you. We have already undone you. Let's start trying to pull things out. Right, we have this necklace. It's got a dangly pendant on it. Does that look handmade? Quite possibly. Still nice there. There's glass on the end there. It's very nice. Very job lot. I will be cutting that wire in a minute if it doesn't start coming loose. Can't work out how this is got. Right, let's cut this. You can cut. So do you and you. Right. That's going in broken. In the bin rather. Right, this is loose now. It's nice flat plastic knotted. Yeah, it's nice to go and chop up. Here's a baggy tassely one. Let's pull you out as far as we can. You want to come off there, through there, but we are still caught on that necklace. Are we? Will you come off there? No. Okay. It's a nice bead. I believe I've had that before. I'm going to job lot. You are lots of dangles, you're not attached to that. I have done this somewhere. Yep. That cord is okay. Some dangly bits on it. Are you from anywhere? No. I'm going job lot. I think it's this black beads that are causing the problem everywhere. The cord is like coming through big time and getting caught on everything. Yeah, I think we might have to cut the black one up. That's knotted on there somehow. Yep, we're going to sacrifice the black beads. Got some nice beads though, so at least they can be used. Okay, rubbish. And so this is free. That's not. It will be. I'd rather not cut everything. Right, those. Put that in there. Now they're just dropping out everywhere. Right, you are free. You are a little Asian symbol of goodness that can go in a job lot. This needs to go into broken. And get some of those beads up. Still got that big mess to go through as well yet. Totally worth it though. That is a very, very pretty gold bangle. I've got to try and work this out. Right, is it one strand or double stranded beads? That's pretty. Right, you're out. Whites called wooden beads. They're plastic made to look like crystals. It's nice enough though, it's quite unusual. I might put that in one of my summary lots actually. Right, are you coming out of here yet? So this is one long set of beads. That. Right, okay, that's a multi-strand. Pearls, faux pearls. That can go in to a pearl lot. Quite nice ones as well. This is on cord, it's got some natural bits. Beads. It's really nice. That'll go in the job lot. Still got some of these. Oh, look at that beautiful owl. He's so sparkly and got a shimmery belly. He's cute. But we're going to undo all of these. Let's try and find clasps first. There's a wire in there, one or more. Mark the hours, every one. My use and value unto you are. Is that the Harry Potter thing? Time turner. Is that a little bracelet? Or sea lion? Is that broken off there? It's broken. Just check you're not anything. I don't think you are, but you're ever so thin. No, that's not. That's broken. Any more clasps? Right, you're free. You got all your bits. You can go to job lot. That's the glass. Yeah, I'll cut you off there because I never keep anything there on anyway. So I'll put you into a job lot. And then this can just come out and go in the bin. Might help all these tangles. Let's cut through a few more. That in the bin. It's quite nice. Is that the Harry Potter time turner I would imagine? It's cute. That'll go in top lot. Come on, done. Right, that's knotted. That's a gold necklace. Little enamel cats. And they're from Fish and Crown. It's cute. It's not the necklace it would have come on, I don't think, unless that bell is just really worn. But I will keep that. This is Muse, little love heart. That'll go in a job lot. If we can get this thing out, that's probably causing a lot of problems. Kind of like look like spoons, don't they? Stuff in there. Are you all going to drop down? Nice colours. I love grey and peach. Always looks and works well. You look okay. You can go in the block. Just try and pull some chains out. It's going to be stuck in the wire. I'm cutting the wire. I'm cutting it. A few cuts everywhere. Go through here. These bits can go in the bin. That was from Vicenza. Try and get the wire out. Does it want to come out? That bit has. Here you come in. Oh, it's really stuck in there. Rubbish. 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 It's twisted around there. Rubbish. So these beads can go broken. I should be able to come through now. Right, you're free and you are pretty, not from anywhere. That'll go in the top lot. Broken. It's just a long necklace. I'll put that in a job lot. Someone might need one for pendant. That's nice enough for a job lot. And these are all gold chains. Oh, they are connected. It's a vintage one. Nice enough. That'll go in a vintage lot. Oh, this come off on its own. I wonder what that. Oh, I bet that was on that. Yeah, I'd say so. And pop it back on. It's quite a nice sparkly little owl. It used to go on a nice long necklace. There you go. Pretty little girl. There we go. So we want to test silver and silver. That's definitely gold. That's for me. That's for me to look up. I can't remember what that is on there, but I like that, so I'm doing that. That one was Swarovski. Very nice. Look at them colours, they're so beautiful. So beautiful all together. Should we weigh it quickly? I know it's got the stones in it as well, but .2. Not too sad. It's bought me a few bags, hasn't it? Right, let's check the silver. I really need to be more organised here. I'm in a bit of a pickle. Get rid of that. Turn that over. Right, silver earring. Most likely. Let's do the bottom of this. Looks like it. Clasp. Looks like it. Silver. Yeah, they're all got silver. All gold. Yep, all silver. Turn that over again. Let's pop that to the side. That beautiful, beautiful gold bracelet. Sparkly, lovely silver necklace. Silver earring can go in. Scrap. But yeah, all these lovely bits. There's no an odd earring. All this will go in job lots. These gemstones, kids, glass, craft. That was a fantastic bag. Absolutely fantastic. I really like that. When I used to wear loads of gold when I was younger, I would definitely have picked that. Definitely. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.